Okay, this is our apartment. Apartment number 3. Woohoo! And this is our living room. Notice the new flooring, and the sofas were bought by Seiko for $150. And then that space over there is the dining area, but we don't have a dining table yet. And those French doors are the door to Jem's room, and this is our TV area. And this is the kitchen, and those are brand new tiles for the kitchen. The dog's dishes. And Bailey! Come here, Bailey! Hi! And here's our baby. Come on, Bailey. Come on! This is our puppy. Hi! Hi! Okay. Come on, Bailey, let's go to my room. Then this is the newly carpeted second floor. Come on, Bailey. This is our bathroom, which we try to keep as clean as we can.